ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಗಣಿ ತಿನ್ನವ ಸಗಣಿ ತಿನ್ನವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು ಆಯ್ತು. ತಿಳಿತನ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ನು ಡೌಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. I hope all of you copied this. Question number 6. Again the same raga, same hadu. Ade raga, ade hadu. We will sing once again. Same song, same tune. We will sing once again. Look here. Look here. AB is parallel to PQ. Look at this part of the figure. AB is parallel to PQ. Correct? What I should do? What I should do? I should call Thales and apply his theorem. Let us do it now. AB is parallel to PQ. Why? Why? Because it is given in the problem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side, it cuts the remaining two sides in the same ratio. Therefore, OA upon AP is equal to OB upon BQ. Why? But why? But why? Because of BPT. But why? If you ask me, I will tell BPT. Okay, children. Now look at this part of the triangle. In triangle OPR, AC is parallel to PR. Correct? If a line is drawn parallel, what you should do? Apply Thales theorem. Call Thales. What you can write according to Thales theorem? OA upon AP is equal to OC upon CR. But why? Because of BPT. These two things are equal to same. What did Euclid say? Euclid said that things equal to same are equal to one another. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, OB upon BQ is equal to OC upon CR. What is the meaning? Look at this triangle OQP. BC is a line. What we have proved? OB upon PQ is equal to OC upon CR. Sir, how did you write this, sir? How did you write this, sir? Because I have already proved it. I have already proved it. I have already proved it. I can write it. What is the meaning, sir? OB upon BQ is equal to OC upon CR. The two sides are cut in the same ratio. If two sides are cut in the same ratio, then it is parallel to third side. Who said? Converse of Thales theorem said. Therefore, BC is parallel to QR. Why? Because of converse of Thales theorem. You can write theorem 6.2 also. No problem. Same song. Same wine in different bottle. The question is like putting same wine in different bottle. Okay? I did it wrong. My God. You did not wrote. You did not.
Given you did not.
So, even I wrote, man. You did not wort, W-O-R-T, wort. Ullas, my boy, my English is not so good. I don't know the meaning of W-O-R-T-E, wort. Please explain to me once again. It is correct, sir. Okay, thank you, Sanjana. Thank you very much for giving me a certificate of correction. Thank you. I didn't understand your question. If you want, I can unmute you. Ulas, you want to talk to me, you can tell me. I'll unmute. Rakshita, what is the meaning of yours? Box. I didn't get. ರಕ್ಷಿತಾ ತಳಗ ಅವರೇ ನೀವೇನ್ ಹೇಳಲು ಬಯಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Emoji ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಬಾ. Emoji ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಹಂಗ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ. Any doubt is there? Feel free to ask now. Anybody want to chat with me regarding this? Please send me. I am going to unmute you. Okay. Now another half an hour or 40 minutes, I am going to take up chemistry, because you people will become unhappy. What this fellow is doing only geometry, always telling lies. This fellow is a big liar, telling non-metal, not starting. I will give police complaint on this fellow. No, Baba, don't do that. I will start metals and non-metals. Okay, all of you copied this? Sir, break. Samuel Paul want a break. If you are in front of me, I will broken into pieces. Breaken into pieces. What would you are not in front of me? Therefore, there is no break. Okay, exactly 5 minutes break. 7:15 I'll start the class up to 7:45. Take a break of exactly 5 minutes, all of you, and come back for metals and non-metals.